Are dental implants safe? The truth behind this common procedure. In the case of replacing missing teeth, implants for dental restorations have become more and more popular for a lot of individuals. But, as with any other surgical procedure, there are constant concerns regarding the safety of these procedures and the potential risk. In this short video, we'll explore the security of dental implants and also discuss many factors that influence their effectiveness. What exactly are dental implants? Dental implants are made of metal which are surgically placed into the jawbone in order to replace missing teeth. They serve as anchors for dental implants like crowns and bridges. They offer patients a natural and long-lasting alternative to losing teeth. Implants for dental purposes are made to replicate the look and functionality of natural teeth. They provide patients with better chewing capabilities as well as speech and dental overall health. Are dental implants safe? Dental implants generally are considered to be a secure and efficient method of replacing missing teeth. As per the American Academy of Implant Dentistry, dental implants boast an average success rate of 90%, which makes them among the most secure alternatives for replacing teeth that are available. But, as with every surgical procedure, there are risks and issues that could occur. One of the major issues regarding implant dentistry is the possibility of failure. It can be caused by many factors like bad dental hygiene, smoking, the presence of diabetes, and other health issues. Sometimes it is possible that the body will reject the implant, resulting in problems such as infection or the implant becoming loose. It is crucial that patients discuss their medical history as well as any current health concerns with their dentist prior to undergoing implant surgery in order to reduce the risk. A further risk that could be associated with dental implants is periimplantitis. It's an illness similar to gum disease, which can be present around the implant. Periimplantitis can be caused by plaque and bacteria that build up on the implant. This can lead to infection, inflammation, and the possibility of implant failing. Proper oral hygiene like regular flossing and brushing will help to prevent periimplantitis and help ensure long-term durability of dental implant. The factors that influence the effectiveness of dental implant. A variety of factors may affect the effectiveness of dental implants. These include dental hygiene. Good dental hygiene is crucial to keeping the dental implants. Patients should clean and floss their teeth regularly in order to avoid plaque and bacteria accumulation around the site of implant. Smoking cigarettes increases the chance of failure due to implant problems by altering the body's ability to heal. Smokers should stop smoking prior to having surgery for implants to increase the chances of successful treatment. Bone density. A sufficient bone density is essential for dental implants to be supported. Patients who have lower bone density might need a bone grafting procedure prior to implant surgery in order to guarantee the durability of implants. Health issues. Insidious medical conditions, like the autoimmune disorder or diabetes, could affect your body's capacity to heal and can increase the chance of failure for implants. Patients who have health concerns must discuss their concerns with their dentist prior to undergoing the procedure of implant. Dental implants are secure and efficient alternative to replace missing teeth. Although there could be dangers and complications that can arise from implants, good dental hygiene, lifestyle choices, as well as pre-existing medical conditions could affect the effectiveness of implant surgery. Anyone considering implants for their teeth must consult their dentist for a discussion of the risk factors specific to them and decide on the most appropriate method of treatment to meet their dental health requirements. Keep in mind that dental implants are an investment in your dental overall health and well-being. If you take care of the implants you have and adhering to your dental professional's advice, you will have a gorgeous and durable teeth for a long time to come.